Greetings, viewers, and welcome back to MoneyMastery Methods, your guide to mastering the art of finances. I'm Nathan, and I'm excited to have you here as we embark on a journey to revolutionize your approach to saving money. In this episode, 5 easy ways to save money today, we'll uncover practical strategies that will elevate your financial game. So let's dive into these insights that will transform your financial landscape. Financial success may seem complex, but it doesn't require magic. Just informed choices and proactive steps. The beauty is in the simplicity. Small changes lead to substantial results. Whether you're aiming to boost savings, pay off debts, or invest, these strategies fit your aspirations. The best part, saving money doesn't compromise your quality of life. It's about intelligent decisions aligning with your goals. These methods can adapt to your unique needs. Whether you're a finance pro or just starting, these insights offer actionable advice you can implement now. Stay engaged, take notes, and customize strategies. Your financial journey is unique. Every step, no matter how small, leads to financial empowerment. Are you ready to seize control of your financial destiny? Let's dive into our first strategy, setting the stage for a prosperous financial future. Stay tuned. If you're excited to revolutionize your financial landscape, hit the like button, subscribe to MoneyMastery Methods, and let's start our journey. Part 1. Analyze your subscriptions. Welcome back to MoneyMastery Methods. We're delving into subscription analysis, unveiling how this practice boosts your finances. Subscriptions are everywhere, promising convenience, but they can silently erode your earnings. Imagine scrolling through bank statements, spotting recurring charges. It's time for a subscription reality check. Let's dive into the art of subscription analysis and witness how it transforms your financial habits. Step 1. List all subscriptions. From streaming to gym memberships, be comprehensive. Step 2. Scrutinize each subscription. Ask, does this provide value? If not, it might be time to bid adieu. It's not about banning subscriptions. It's about conscious consumption. By reevaluating subscriptions, you align spending with priorities. The money saved from canceling can fund dreams. The impact extends beyond money. It reduces waste and relieves stress. Imagine empowered decisions, savings growing. You're crafting a financial story with purpose. As you embark on subscription analysis, remember, every canceled subscription is a step toward financial clarity. Rewrite your financial script, one subscription at a time. Next, masterful meal planning. If you're ready to navigate subscriptions and save, hit like, subscribe, and let's dive in. Part 2. Master Meal Planning. Welcome back to MoneyMastery Methods. Today we unveil meal planning's magic. Imagine stress-free dinners that save money. Meal planning isn't just about nourishment, it's financial wisdom. Let's embark on this culinary adventure and witness how it transforms your budget. Step 1. Dedicate meal planning time weekly. Consistency is key. Step 2. Get creative with your menu. Try new recipes, embrace seasonal produce. Step 3. Create a shopping list. Navigate the store with purpose. Meal planning extends beyond dinners. Prep breakfasts, lunches, and snacks. Imagine arriving home to your meal plan ready to guide. No more last-minute takeout dilemmas. And here's a tip. Extend meal planning to online shopping. Many platforms offer discounts. Meal planning reduces waste, promotes health, and saves money. It's like having a personal chef and financial advisor. Part 3. Unleash the power of bulk buying. Bulk buying is a financial strategy, not just a shopping tactic. Imagine seizing deals on essentials for substantial savings. Bulk buying isn't just about money. It offers convenience, time saving, and sustainability. Imagine well-stocked essentials, fewer shopping trips, eco-friendliness. Extend bulk buying to online shopping. E-commerce platforms offer discounts. By mastering bulk buying, you forge a path to financial empowerment. Part 4. Energy-saving superhero moves. Imagine simple strategies that lower utility bills, reduce your carbon footprint, and brighten your wallet. Move 1. LED lighting, energy, efficient, and long-lasting. Move 2. Conquer phantom energy with power strips. Move 3. Tame temperature, adjust thermostats for savings. Energy-saving moves extend beyond your space. Contribute to a sustainable future, reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Imagine an energy-efficient haven powered by conscious choices. These moves require minimal effort for extraordinary results. Small actions contribute to greater change. Energy-saving superhero moves offer benefits beyond finance. They shape a more responsible and sustainable world. Congratulations, learners, for embracing our journey through 5 easy ways to save money. We explored subscription analysis, culinary mastery, bulk buying brilliance, and energy-saving superhero moves. These strategies reshape your financial path. Remember, progress is gradual. Customize these tools for your journey. Raise a toast to your dedication and change readiness. If you found value, hit like, subscribe, and join our community. Your financial destiny is in your hands. With these insights, you're on your way to success. Until next time, this is Nathan from Money Mastery Methods signing off. Stay empowered and transform your financial future.